In this quick tutorial, I'm going to explain you how to use Gusto. So basically, Gusto is a digital employee recognition platform that lets teams send rewards and track engagement easily. Now, if we go to pricing, we're gonna be able to see that they offer a free plan. Then they have Lite, which is around 125 per month, and then we have Essential and Premium. So it's gonna be basically uh, $2 per seat per month, peer-to-peer program. But this one here, it has unlimited receipts. So here you can see the comparison between them. So basically, you just have to create an account and add team members with roles and budgets, then send rewards instantly via email or text, no app required for recipients. Then you can set up recognition programs like peer-to-peer or manager-led, and then track usage and impact to real-time analytics and reporting, and basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.